Hello and welcome to Natural English with Sarah. Today we are going to focus on something that is really important for mastering the English language, and that is all 26 letters of the alphabet. As a child growing up in the UK, I was used to singing the ABC song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. So if you've ever struggled spelling out the letters of your name or address in person or especially over the telephone, this video is for you. I'm going to over-articulate each letter twice so that you can practice along with me. And make sure you stick around for the last letter of the alphabet, as we Brits pronounce it very different to those in America. A, A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, G, H or H, H or H, I, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, U, V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. And our friends in America would say Z, Z. Now we said the alphabet slowly, we're going to speed it up. See if you can keep up with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now let's put all of this learning into context. Here's a word, and I'm going to give you a few seconds to spell it out. C-A-K-E, cake. Let's try another word. W-O-R-L-D, world. Let's just try one final word to make sure it's all sunk in. Q-U-I-C-K. Quick. And don't forget to like, follow or subscribe for more Natural English with Sarah. Have a Lovely day.